There it goes. Oh, they got a scrim up here. Couldn't tell until you got close. There appears to be a tad bit of moisture on Main Street, USA. And a scrim on the Emporium. Buzz Lightyear in the rain. Now you get all still? There you go. Show us that dimple. Show us that little dimple.
Where's the dimple?
Show us that dimple.
You know, like your sister, the camera comes on and you don't get super photo like, ah! You ready?
Kaylee, the camera's on you.
Did she lose that poncho? Excited, Rey? I find it so funny how still she goes when you start filming.
Oh, come on. Kaylee, who's that? It's Buzz Lightyear. It is Buzz Lightyear.
You've got the stick space right there. Take a look for Planet Z.
For safety, please remain seated during the overview. Immediately second round over now.
Right before we're supposed to get off.
Please remain seated.
Of course. No go for the foxes. No go. Oh, that's a good one. I'm taking that to add to the collection. Galactic Hero. Buzz Lightyear. Where you belong, Zerg. Where you belong. Squeeging Tomorrowland. Sad that in the future, mankind has to still manually squeegee the sidewalks. What happened in 2016 that went so awry that the future in science stopped progressing? One will never know why I chose 2016 to be that date. Is the joke that they can't hang the laugh sign properly over the scare factory? I think I want to know. Oh, scare facility. Oh. You enjoying the pre-show? Look at what? Is that your magic band? Who's that? Is that your best friend behind you? Was that your best friend behind you?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're silly.
Well, others.
That silly girl.
For everyone, so glad that you had a great I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, this is your first time in a monster world. There are a few things you should know. And when I grow up, I'm gonna be just like my Uncle Mike, because I really want to go to Monsters University. Who's heard of it? Let me hear your roar. That's a great monster roar. Hey, speaking of great, guess what, everybody? Guess what? My Uncle Mike got your jokes that he texted in. Who wants to hear something? Come on, say, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Great crowd. Hey, Edward sent a joke in from Louisiana. When is a door not a door? Everybody asks me when. When it's a jar.
What you see here is something you don't see every day. People who are asking if and why Stitch wasn't open. Those people.
Yes. Awesome. Yes. Awesome. That's my favorite costume that I can do. Yeah.
The rain has subsided, but the moisture and the cold remains. A land of adventure. And dropping umbrellas. I always talk about trying the citrus swirl at the Sunshine Tree Terrace. I cannot talk. And someday I would love to try Skipper Canteen. Because who doesn't love a good falafel? Kaylee, you ready to go on this next ride? What ride is it? Pirates of the Caribbean. What was that? Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yeah, you said that.
Okay. You're right, Kaylee. It's Pirates of the Caribbean. Good girl. That's where last fall I almost dropped this same Canon camera. Playing poker. Chess. They're playing chess. Yes, checkers. It's a good look. You excited, Kaylee? Oh, there he is. Ah, so late. It's a skull face in the rocks. Makes me think I want to go back to Joe's Crab Shack. He's right there. Thursday, he's right there. Turn around.
Got Captain Jack Sparrow's face. When the years tell, 'tis only me what's got the good side. Of course we can.
Return to the walk side has been complete. What are these things? There's a dial tone. Nikon picture spot. Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse.
There's one tiger. There's lions.
And she parked and...
Oh no, that's a big tiger.
But we're not gonna go up the treehouse. We've booked a trip on the Jungle Cruise that just jumped from 10 to 20 minutes. So it turns out this 20 minutes was a lie. Look how quick this line's moving. My daughter,
She's already on
Kevin.
Because of the scooter I put
Things you don't see in the Fast Pass line. I feel like they might need this.
Python, yeah, I'll do it. Don't worry, they're actually very friendly creatures. They can really develop a crush on you. It's a real constricting relationship up ahead, and it looks like they invited one of the zebras over for dinner. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever tried to serve zebra for dinner, but it's actually pretty difficult. You have to separate the white meat from the dark meat, from the white meat, from the dark meat, from the white meat, from the dark meat, from the tail. So when we're at the effort, there's a lot of work involved, and honestly, it's not all that good to begin with. Oh boy. Well, if somebody gets out, don't worry about looking stupid if doing that for you. Why do you guys do that? Okay, anyway, I'll always rather go through that to get to the one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. once in a lifetime view. Could lead to danger, could lead to both. Should we go in?
These guys are just monkeying around.
Oh, there on the left is a troublemaker that always tries to spray the boat. What are you doing, buddy? You gonna spray the boat again? Yeah, I thought so. Nice try, but I know your tricks. Alright, not today. Trader Sam, everybody say hi, Sam. Sam there is actually our head salesman with the Jungle Cruise. He's got a really good deal going on right now since sales have been shrinking. I traded you not one, but two of his heads for the price of yours. And no matter how you slice it and dice it, you come out ahead, so it's a pretty good deal. Good guy though, good guy. He invited me over for his dinner party that he had the other day, and it was good. Good company, good food. I told him, Sam, wow, your wife made a delicious stew, and he said, yeah. I sure am gonna miss her though.
Sadly, the Dole Whip will have to wait because we have plans for something not equally tasty, but delicious and plentiful in its own right. This looks familiar. In case you didn't know, Skipper Canteen, now, not published up front, serves alcohol with the meals. As we walk over to our next dining event.